Hello everybody, hi and welcome to my new video. As I'm sure you can tell, it is summer by now, so I thought what better but to actually come back and do a little bit of a summer clothing haul for you. We got the month of June and I went shopping. I've by far not done all of my shopping, so I will continue and I will keep you guys posted. But I went shopping. Here you can see a bag full of H&M goodies. And also Zara. What better there is on the high street than Zara? So I'm going to start with H&M and move on to Zara. So for H&M I actually went and I got these shorts. These are wonderful Flowery shorts. I thought when I go on vacation or when it's just on holidays and I don't have to go to work or anything or to uni, I can actually pop up these. Absolutely love these. These are totally Flowery. These were for £7.99 for £10. I got this in a size 12 because I've gained a bit of weight. But yeah, they fit just fine and they are so comfortable, and especially they're like very light, which is very important for summer. To go with this, I actually got this plain white tee with a writing. This is the tee I'm gonna wear beneath the shorts. Hope the camera is able to pick it up. Wait, let me see if I can actually. So this is how I'm gonna wear it. Ta-da! Yeah, these are the shorts, and this is the white tee. It's a plain white t-shirt actually. I got this in a size L because I just like oversized stuff. And this is a plain white tee. It has a writing on it. It says, "I know what I like. I know how I want to live." I know what I like. I know how I want to live my life, which I thought is pretty cool. It's very basic, and yeah, you can't really go wrong with a plain white tee with a little bit of a writing on top. Apart from this, I got this beautiful beach dress. I'm going to so wear on occasion. They got this in blue as well. I might actually pick it up in a very, I don't know if you, I'm gonna show you. So this is in a very orangey coral color. This is a beautiful orange corally summery dress. It is one dress actually. I just love the cut of it actually. So this is where your arms basically come out, if you get what I'm saying. And I absolutely love this color. I feel this is perfect for summer, and I also feel this color suits me very well. They also got this exact same dress in white, which I thought was a bit of plain, and also in this blue color, like the flower over here. This one. Oh, I see they also got it in this color, as you can tell, which I got. But no, I might actually go and pick up the blue because I absolutely love it. The flowers. Yeah, because I absolutely love it, and it's just wonderful. So far, the next thing from H&M I got is, let me see. Oh yeah, right. Got these panties by H&M. These were on sale. Box standard. I got those for £2, and I also got a bra by H&M. It's a t-shirt bra. I can't show you because I'm wearing it, but it is in this color. And yeah, I mean that was also on sale for like $7.99 or so. That's actually it what I got from H&M. The next thing I got from Zara, which I'm actually wearing, is I don't know if you can tell, but I hope so. It's this It's this white jumper. No, it's not a jumper. It's this white onesie type of thing. I can't figure out the word. It's onesie basically. It's, yeah. I'm so sorry. Sometimes I'm so bad with words, and it's an overall, like, you know, like it's an overall onesie type of thing. It's in white and I absolutely love it. It's not too short, it's not too long, and it's white, and it's a nice material. This was for $35.99. It was a bit more expensive actually, but Zara is Zara, and I absolutely love it, and I think the price for the quality is really good, and I'm definitely gonna wear it in the summer outside, or whenever I'm not working, or maybe if I go on holiday I'll wear it then. What I also got from Zara was this cutesy bag over here. This was £20. This is actually how the mannequin was dressed. The bag with the dress. Yeah, I love it. I mean, absolutely love it. I think it goes well with everything. And what I also got from H&M was, in terms of accessories, were like these golden earrings. These are gold flower petals on them, and I just thought they were so beautiful. And they were also on sale for like $2 or so you can't really go wrong. Additionally, I went to Primark and just picked up some staples basically. Just some invises for shoes in summer. You always need them. And yeah, that was it for my little short mini haul. Let me know if you want to see anything else, and also let me know if you want to see more of these hauls. I'm definitely on a shopping spree, so I'm gonna film more for you. And anything that pops up in your mind, just let me know in the comments below, and hope to see you soon in my next video. Hope you're all having a wonderful time, just as me, and enjoy the summer. Bye!